Hey guys, it's Friday morning, so I am back in my Webull account purchasing some Dividend Aristocrat stocks. Um, stock market has been taking a beating the past couple of days. Trade war talk and all that sort of stuff. Not that I have a significant enough number of stocks for this to be meaningful at this point, but here's the chart of these stocks versus the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It was a little bit below when I started out, peaked out above it. Both dropped down, but we're still beating it by a bit. But that's not too important. Also, in this past week, A.O. Smith declared their dividend, and so we have 22 cents of dividend receivable. First dividend in this account because this is still relatively fresh. I'm adding in $250 new each week, so I'm up to 1740.52 after the recent decreases. And so today we're going to be buying some more stocks. This is a list of the Dividend Aristocrat stocks. These are companies that have increased their dividend every year for at least 25 years. And I'm weighting these stocks by how big their total dividend payout is. And then each week I'm buying a new stock and I'm looking at the stocks that are most underweight in my portfolio. A lot of stocks I haven't even bought at all yet. So those would be ones that, those would be the most underweight. And then of those, I'm looking at the ones that are closest to their 52-week low. So the first one on this list is NUE. They're a steel production company. They do mini mill steel. If you ever read the book The Innovator's Dilemma, it talks about technological shifts from old technologies to new technologies and how it's very hard for companies to make that shift. And so NUE, they talk about mini mill steel, where they do, I think, electric arc melting of recycled metal rather than smelting of iron ore. And that sort of took over the steel industry. And so NUE is one of the mini mill steel companies. And they've been at it for a while. And so we're going to buy some NUE. And that stock's probably likely to take a beating in various trade war scenarios just because that adds a lot of uncertainty. I mean, they're making metal. That's something that is central to a lot of Trump's trade war ideas. So let's go hop over here, NUE. And that's why they're closer to the 52-week low than any of those other stocks that are on my candidate list probably. And so we're going to go ahead and buy one. There we go. Buy one. And there's our limit price. Unlock real quick. Enter the unlock password. And place our order. Oops. I got to select to buy. There we go. Now we can place the order that I selected to buy. And go ahead and hit buy right there. Alright, so we bought NUE. Next one up on the list. Let's see, next one up on the list. Who am I buying next? I'm buying Caterpillar. Yeah, so this is a company that everybody's seen. They make all that big, heavy equipment, and you can see they're actually fairly high up on this list. They're near the top of the companies that have biggest total dividend payouts. They pay out about $2 billion to investors every single year. So, let's go buy ourselves a Caterpillar share. And their next dividend is not coming until November, so a while before we see any cash money from them, but although we might get some growth. They're already down over 1% for the day, as are